Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we are going to talk about something incredibly important and close to my heart. Today, we're diving into sustainable fashion. This is not just a trend, it's a movement that is gaining momentum and for all the right reasons. The fashion industry can be really bad for the planet, but I've got 10 amazing tips to help you be more mindful with your wardrobe. From the production of fabrics to the disposal of old clothes, every step has an impact. We'll cover everything from thrifting to renting clothes. Thrifting is a fantastic way to find unique pieces while reducing waste. Renting clothes is perfect for special occasions when you don't want to buy something you'll only wear once. And taking care of what you already own. Proper maintenance can extend the life of your clothes, saving you money and reducing your environmental footprint. Washing your clothes less often is a thing. It's called sustainability. Not only does it save water and energy, but it also helps your clothes last longer. Consider using eco-friendly detergents and washing at lower temperatures. So if you love clothes and want to save the world, you're in the right place. Sustainable fashion is all about making conscious choices that benefit both you and the planet. Let's get right into it. We'll explore how to build a sustainable wardrobe, the importance of choosing quality over quantity, and how to support brands that prioritize ethical practices. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to make a positive impact through your fashion choices. Thrifting is the easiest way to be a sustainable fashion icon. Every time you buy secondhand, you're giving clothes a new life and preventing waste. Imagine the stories behind each piece, the unique history that comes with every item you find. It's like owning a piece of someone else's journey. Not only are you reducing waste, but you're also making a statement against fast fashion. Fast fashion contributes to pollution and unethical labor practices. By choosing secondhand, you're taking a stand for a more ethical and sustainable world. Plus, it's cheaper than buying new. You can save a significant amount of money while still looking stylish. Why spend a fortune on new clothes when you can find high-quality items for a fraction of the cost? It's not just about thrift stores anymore. Apps like Depop and Poshmark offer amazing finds. These platforms have made it easier than ever to shop secondhand from the comfort of your home. You can browse through thousands of items, filter by size, brand, and style, and have your new-to-you clothes delivered right to your door. You can get designer pieces for a fraction of the cost. Imagine owning a designer handbag or a pair of high-end shoes without breaking the bank. It's a win-win situation for your wallet and the planet. Even if you don't find anything online, local thrift stores are treasure troves. Each visit is an adventure, and you never know what gems you might uncover. From vintage dresses to quirky accessories, there's always something unique waiting to be found. I found some of my favorite pieces thrifting, and I always get compliments. There's something special about wearing an item that has a story, a past. It adds character to your wardrobe and sets you apart from the crowd. People are always amazed when I tell them it's thrifted. It's a great conversation starter and a way to inspire others to consider secondhand shopping. You can be a trendsetter and an advocate for sustainable fashion. So, if you're not shopping secondhand, what are you doing? It's time to rethink your shopping habits and make a positive impact on the environment. Embrace the thrill of the hunt, the joy of finding unique pieces, and the satisfaction of knowing you're making a difference. Shop secondhand and be a part of the sustainable fashion movement. Sometimes you need something new, something fresh to add to your wardrobe. But have you ever stopped to think about the impact your clothing choices have on the environment? Not all fabrics are created equal. Some are much more harmful to our planet than others. Conventional cotton and polyester, for instance, are really bad for the environment. The production of these fabrics often involves the use of harmful chemicals and large amounts of water, leading to pollution and depletion of natural resources. But there are sustainable fabrics that offer a much greener alternative. Fabrics like Tencel, bamboo, organic cotton, and hemp are not only better for the environment, but also offer unique benefits. Take Tencel, for example. It's made from wood pulp and is super soft, making it a luxurious choice for clothing. Plus, the production process of Tencel is much more eco-friendly compared to conventional fabrics. Bamboo is another fantastic option. It grows incredibly fast and doesn't require much water or pesticides, making it a highly sustainable resource. Bamboo fabric is also naturally antibacterial and biodegradable. Organic cotton is like regular cotton, but without the nasty chemicals. It's grown using methods and materials that have a low impact on the environment. This means no synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, which is better for the soil and the farmers. Hemp is another excellent sustainable fabric. It's incredibly durable, absorbs moisture well, and is UV resistant. Hemp also grows quickly and requires very little water, making it a highly sustainable crop. So next time you're shopping, pay attention to the fabrics. Look for labels that indicate sustainable, organic, or eco-friendly materials. By choosing sustainable fabrics, you can make a positive impact on the environment and support more responsible production practices. Remember, every small choice adds up to make a big difference. Let's make our wardrobes as kind to the planet as they are to us. Shopping secondhand and choosing sustainable fabrics is great, but let's talk ethical production. Ethical production means fair wages and safe working conditions for workers. Fast fashion often cuts corners with labor practices. Brands like Patagonia, Reformation, and Everlane are committed to ethical production. They offer transparency and high-quality, stylish clothes. Girlfriend Collective makes activewear from recycled materials and is transparent about their processes. Do your research and support brands that align with your values. For all my creative people, upcycling is a game changer. Instead of throwing away old clothes, turn them into something new. You can make a crop top from an old t-shirt or shorts from jeans. There are tons of tutorials online, and you don't need to be a pro at sewing. It's fun and satisfying to give your old clothes a new life. Plus, it's a great way to add unique pieces to your wardrobe. Clothing rental is perfect for special events when you need an amazing outfit, but don't want to buy something new. Companies like Rent the Runway, Nuuly, and Armoire offer designer clothes for rent. It's cheaper than buying new and more sustainable. You can try new trends and experiment with your style without committing. It's like having a never-ending closet. Less is more when it comes to fashion. A capsule wardrobe is a curated collection of essential pieces that can be mixed and matched. Start by getting rid of anything you don't wear. Identify gaps in your wardrobe and fill them with versatile pieces. Tailor your capsule wardrobe to your personal style. Taking care of your clothes is one of the easiest ways to be more sustainable. The longer your clothes last, the less often you need to buy new ones. Wash your clothes less often and use cold water and gentle detergent. Read care labels to know how to wash and dry each item properly. Clothing swaps are a great way to refresh your wardrobe without spending money. Invite friends, bring clothes you don't wear, and trade them. It's like thrifting, but for free and with friends. Organizing a clothing swap is easy and fun. You can tailor the swap to your style, like vintage or sustainable clothing. Educating yourself about the fashion industry is crucial. Watch documentaries like The True Cost and read articles about sustainable fashion. Follow sustainable fashion influencers on social media for tips and inspiration. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Use your voice to advocate for systemic change in the fashion industry. Support organizations working for sustainability, like the Ellen MacArthur Foundation and Fashion Revolution. Contact elected officials to demand stricter regulations on the fashion industry. Use social media to speak out against unethical practices and promote sustainable brands. Those are my top 10 tips for building a sustainable wardrobe. Even small changes can make a big difference. You don't have to sacrifice style for sustainability. There are amazing sustainable brands creating beautiful clothes. Go forth and be the most stylish and sustainable version of yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us bring you more eco-friendly fashion tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.